Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Style Bilimbi Curry. It's an authentic recipe from Kerala. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 5 portions. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 6 to 7 chopped garlic, size chopped ginger, 5 to 6 shallots, 1 small sliced onion, 1 spring curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. 2 chopped green chillies. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion turns soft. In the meanwhile, in a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 1/4 cup of water and grind it into a fine paste form. Now the onion has become soft and changes its color very lightly. Keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Then add 1 cup of hot water into it. Add 15 to 20 bilimbi cut into pieces. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid. Add the previously grinded mixture to it. Then wash grinder jar with 3/4 cup of warm water and add to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it's buttered. Keep it low flame and add 2 red chillies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Stir it for 30 seconds. Now add 5 to 6 sliced shallots. Mix it well. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until it turns light golden color. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Garnish it on top of the recipe. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala Style Bilimbi Curry recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.